Alright, this is going to be Photoshop tutorial. Alright, first you're going to open Photoshop, and then you're going to go to File, New, to create a new project. For this purpose, we're going to use the default settings I have. You can change the name, and you can change the presets you have. You can change the width of the document, the height of the document. Now, normally you want to do it in pixels. You can change the resolution. 300 is high definition, 300 and above is high definition. You can change the color mode from bitmap, grayscale, red, green, blue color, CMYK, or lab color. And we're going to go ahead and create our document. As you can see, on a fresh document, we don't have anything on it, it's just plain white. This is your background layer. It's locked. This is your move tool. This is your rectangular marquee tool. Draw shapes, rectangles, and squares. This is your lasso tool, but it also functions as a polygon lasso and a magnetic lasso. Your marquee tool, again, rectangular marquee, elliptical marquee, single row marquee, and single column marquee. And how you get this to appear is you go over the icon and you left click and hold, and then it'll let you choose. Now this is your quick selection tool, and it has a magic wand tool, your crop tool, your slice tool, your slice select tool, your eyedropper tool, color sample tool, ruler tool, and note tool, your eraser, your paint bucket, your blur tool, your dodge tool, your pen tool, text tool, path selection, line tool. Those are basically the ones that you'll be using the most. Now, what we're going to do to begin with is we're going to create another layer. So, the short way is to press on your keyboard Shift Control N, and you'll get this box. You can change the name of the layer to whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it default for now. You can change the color of the layer, but I recommend doing it a different way, which I'm going to show you, because these are all too pale. So we're going to click OK, and as you see, our layer has been created. Now, the long way to create a layer is to go to Layer, New, Layer, and it also gives you the button key, Shift Control N. Now on this layer, as I was telling you just a second ago, with the color, make sure you select Layer 1 or whatever you named the layer, go to your Paint Bucket tool, click the square, and you can change it to whatever color you want, red for this instance, and now it is a red layer. This layer can also double as your background layer if you want to take it and delete your background layer. You can change all the colors just the same way as you made it to begin with. You can change it to blue. Well, sorry. This background, you can change it to blue. You can take it off because I changed the background to blue as well. So, we'll go back. We'll change this one back to red. And there you have it. Your background is red and your layer is blue. And what this does, what I'm over right now, allows you to see it. It shows you, basically, is when it's on like it is now, it shows the layer. Now when I turn it off, it doesn't show the layer anymore. It basically makes that whole layer invisible so you can see what it looks like without it on top. And that is it for the first part of this tutorial.